So this is the first video about my project in awe of nature, or at least about a destination of this project. So the project in awe of nature is about going to the top 10 destination that makes people feel in awe of nature, all destination being in Ireland. So when I did the survey in May, I communicate the top 10 destination, and one of those were the giant Causeway. So I drove to my place, from my place to the giant Causeway, and arrived quite late in the evening, and I just walk around trying to find what I was gonna paint the next day. And I really enjoy it. It's a really gorgeous place. And I decided that I would not be painting near the stones because there's a lot of people and it's just maybe a little bit too complicated with the wind, and all the people are climbing and going, coming to paint in a relatively serene and peaceful way. But I took a lot of photographs and videos, so I will make a lot of paintings from the giant Causeway in the very near future. But yeah, so that was my first day. It was really gorgeous, and in the next video I will show you what I've done, what was my first paintings and my second paintings that I did that day. And also I will go with you along the cliff walk as well, because it's really